In national headlines, the Supreme Court siding with the Trump administration in the first legal scuffle over cuts made by the White House. National correspondent Kaylee Gaskins has the latest Waste Watch report from Washington.
The Trump administration will not have to pay out $2 billion worth of frozen foreign aid for work already completed after an emergency ruling by Chief Justice John Roberts. It's a temporary pause, giving the court time to evaluate the request and does not settle the dispute. On day one, President Trump ordered a 90-day freeze on foreign aid. Lawsuits quickly followed. The court papers reveal the full scale of the Trump cuts to USAID, slashing more than 90% of foreign aid contracts. GOP lawmakers concerned over how the money was being spent.
The Democrat-run USAID should not get to use our federal government, our U.S. taxpayer dollars, as their party piggy bank to push their radical agenda.
Amid the cuts, 1,600 USAID workers were fired. Employees given just 15 minutes to pack up their offices.
It's been quite tragic. I think there's been a lot of a lack of communication. Most people have had their email accounts shut off, so they're getting notices third party from Facebook groups.
Meanwhile, at the Environmental Protection Agency, Administrator Lee Zeldin planning to cut spending by 65%.
It's important that we make the EPA operate as efficiently as possible. There's been about 1,000 people who are departing the agency.
There's also a report Social Security Administration was told to cut staff in half, and more than 110 IRS offices around the country are set to close after 7,000 probationary employees were fired. All federal agencies given a mid-April deadline to suggest relocations of bureaus outside D.C. to more affordable parts of the country. And every government agency instructed by the president to have its own DOGE representative, dubbed a mini Musk, to oversee downsizing efforts. President Trump also said federal workers who did not respond to Elon Musk's email requesting a list of what they did at work are on the firing bubble. In Washington, I'm Kayla Gaskins.